Welcome to my channel, SHREE Coaching Classes for Free. I am Siddharth, your friend. Last section, we studied the energy definition, kinetic energy definition, and its formula. In this session, we discuss expression for kinetic energy. In this session, we discuss some formulae related to work and energy. And we discuss Newton's second law of motion very constantly, and then we get the kinetic energy formula and some examples. Okay, then we start here. Expression for kinetic energy. Suppose a stationary object. Suppose a stationary means what? The constant object. This mass is m. Moves because of applied force. Let U be the last lecture we discussed U is initial velocity. Initial velocity. Here U is equal to 0. Let the applied force be F. This generates acceleration due to object after time t, and the velocity of the object becomes equal to what? V. Means what? When you start the object, initial velocity 0 and final velocity is v. Therefore, the displacement during the time, the work done on the object, W is equals to F into S. F is a force, S is a displacement. Then we get formula W is equals to F into S. Here we see that according to Newton's formula, second law of motion, we know that the formula of second law S is equals to ut plus 1 half at square. S म्हणजे काय सांगितलेलं? Distance or displacement. U means initial speed, T म्हणजे time, A म्हणजे acceleration, and T means time here. Then first of all, let formula F is equal to ma. F is equal to ma means F means force, M means mass, A means acceleration. Equation number first. Similarly, we using here Newton's second equation of motion as initial velocity is 0. Initial velocity is 0. Then S is equal to, when you put U is equal to 0, then we get S is equals to U into T. Matlab 0 into T, 0 plus 1 half at square. Then you get S is equals to 1 half at square. Very easy equation. First of all, you very well know that here we take U is equal to 0 because initial velocity is 0. येथे initial म्हणजे starting ची velocity आपण 0 घेतलेली. Then we get S is equal to 1 half at square formula. Then we get W is equals to here MA into what is the formula of S? We find here 1 half at square. Put this equation number 2 value in equation number first. W is equals to MA into 1 half at square. Using equation 1 and 2, using equation 1 and 2, we put the W is equal to F into S. Therefore, W is equals to 1 by 2 M A square T square. या दोघांना सेम ब्रॅकेट द्यायचं, कारण दोघांचं ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर काय सांगितले? 80 चा ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर आहे. Therefore, ब्रॅकेट दिल्यानंतर we get W is equals to 1 half into M into 80 bracket square. Using Newton's first equation of motion, V is equals to U plus 80. आपण लास्ट डिस्कशन केले, लास्ट चॅप्टर मध्ये किंवा लास्ट व्हिडिओज मध्ये आपण डिस्कस केले की न्यूटनचा फर्स्ट लॉ V is equal to U plus 80 असतो. Therefore U is equal to 0 पुट करा. Therefore V is equals to 0 plus 80 means what? V is equal to 80. Therefore, taking इथं एक पॉइंट ऍड करायचा, taking किंवा take a square on both side. The square घ्यायचं both side ला. Then you get V square is equals to 80 bracket square. Then equation number 4. Then compare equation number 3 and equation number 4. Compare equation number 3 and equation number 4. W is equals to 1 half as it is. Okay. M as it is. And जिथं 80 स्क्वेअर आहे तिथं काय पुट करायचं फक्त v पुट करायचं. v स्क्वेअर पुट करायचं. चेक करा. कारण 80 ची व्हॅल्यू आपण काय घेतलेली आहे v घेतलेली आहे आणि v स्क्वेअर ची व्हॅल्यू आपण काय घेतलेली आहे 80 स्क्वेअर. म्हणून युजिंग इक्वेशन 3 आणि 4 3 नंबरचं इक्वेशन आणि 4 नंबरचं इक्वेशन हे दोन्ही कंबाईन करून घ्यायचं. देन वी गेट w is equals to 1 half mv square. Then next one, here one example. A stone having a mass of 250 gram is falling from height. How much kinetic energy does it have at the moment when its velocity is 2 meter per second? M is equal to 250 gram. M is equal to ग्रॅमचं काय करायचं आहे किलोग्रॅम डिवाइड बाय 1000 करून घ्यायचं बाळांनो. 250 divided by 1000. Therefore, M is equal to 250 divided by 1000. We get 0.25 gram kilogram. Then V is equals to 2 meter per second. त्याचं मतलब चेक करा. ग्रॅमचं काय केलं कन्व्हर्जन सेकंड ऑफ किलोग्राम मध्ये केले. ग्रॅम डिवाइड बाय 1000. V is equal to 2 meter per second. Then kinetic energy is equal to 1 half mv square formula. आपण इथं फॉर्म्युला एक्सप्रेस करून घेतलाय बघा. Then 1 half into m ची व्हॅल्यू 0.25. V ची व्हॅल्यू असणार आहे 2 चा स्क्वेअर. हे सॉल्व करून घ्या. 2 चा स्क्वेअर 4 घ्या. 25 into 4 into 1 by 2 हे आन्सर येते 0.5 जूल. इथे तुम्हाला आन्सर मिळते मी सांगितलं. इथे खाली क्वेश्चन आहे. The mass of moving body is doubled. How many times will be the kinetic energy increases? If the mass of the moving body, mass में double केल्यानंतर when we double the mass, kinetic energy also double. When the mass of body is half, the kinetic energy also half. इथे आन्सर येते बघा बाळांनो. ठीक आहे. आपण ह्या पेजवर एवढे पॉइंट्स बघितले. कायनेटिक एनर्जी म्हणजे बघितलं, एक्सप्रेशन बघितलं आणि त्यानंतर एक्झाम्पल बघितलं. थँक्यू.